So we're getting ready for the snow. Most of our inventory, actually, if not all of it for this location, is inside. All our bikes are inside. And you can see the cars are a little tight, but most of them are inside. And we're gonna put what didn't fit in here, we're gonna put it in our service areas. So you can see pretty tight vehicle placement. We got two Hummers, Land Rover Defender, a few cars in front, a nice gorgeous 930 Turbo next to the Russian Volga, and a Saleen supercharged Mustang, Moskvich next to 240Z, a few buggies, and a Russian Lada Niva next to the Hummer. So we're ready for the snow.